Healthcare is where humanity shows up at its most vulnerable. And the people responsible for protecting it are being asked to do more with less every single day. Staff shortages, wandering residents, workplace violence, regulatory pressure, unauthorized access. These aren't hypotheticals, they're your reality. SafeSpace was built for exactly this world. An AI-powered platform that watches over your facility so your team can do what they do best. For hospitals and health systems, real-time weapons detection, facial recognition for known threats, and adverse event investigation that turns hours of footage review into minutes. For senior living, elopement detection that intervenes before a resident ever reaches an unsecured door, hands-free visitor management, and continuous privacy-aware monitoring with no wearables, no disruptive alarms, no loss of dignity.
It's super important for me to be able to deliver a product that can actually help save lives and increase the quality of life for people that we're serving. With our AI-based solution, our software is actually able to provide multiple levels of safety and comfort for those residents and their families.
There's not enough caregivers to take care of all the people that need taken care of, so we sort of bridge that gap.
This isn't surveillance. It's an invisible safety net. Patented. Already deployed and proven in real facilities. Not pilots, not evaluations. Production environments where operators choose to pay for it, month after month, because it works. So why schedule a demo? Because your patients deserve proactive protection. Because your residents deserve to move freely and safely. And because your team deserves technology that finally works as hard as they do. See it in action. Schedule your demo today.